Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to use Bright's virtual card to make secure online purchases. Virtual cards are a great way to shop safely without exposing your physical card details. Let's get started. First, open the Bright app and log into your accounts. And then from the dashboard, tap on Cards, and then or you can just look for the tab that says My Card. This is where your virtual card information is stored. You're going to see your virtual card listed, so just tap on it to view the full card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV. Some apps may require authentication, such as your fingerprints or your PIN, or it could be Face ID to unlock the card details. Now go to the online store where you want to make a purchase. At checkout, you're going to choose credit cards or debit card as your payment method, and then enter your Bright's virtual card details exactly as shown in the app. Complete your purchase as usual. If the merchant supports it, you might be prompted for two-factor authentication, so just confirm through the Bright app. Once the transaction is complete, you're going to receive a notification confirming the purchase. You can always review virtual card transactions on the transactions history in the app. And that's it. You've just made a safe, secure purchase using your Bright virtual card. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.